Get excited about the 2018 Ram 2500. This four-door, five-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. Top features include heated front seats, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, skid plates, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and a split-folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.